5 faceless YouTube channel you can start. If you want to start a faceless YouTube channel, you should focus on one of these 5 niches that can make you at least $1,000 a month. I spent hours studying many viral faceless niches to find the easiest and most profitable ones you can start with. And let's be real here, there are tons of channel ideas that could go viral and make you a lot of money, but most require a lot of research, scripting, filming, and editing, and that's making them too complicated for beginners. The 5 faceless channel niches I'm about to share with you are different. You can start them even if you have never created a video before. The best part is that you can automate most of the work process using AI, and don't worry, I will show you proof of how it all works. And we will start with niches that have a lower earning potentials and gradually move up to the most profitable ones. So ensure you watch the very end to know the one you want to start with. I also rate each niche on a scale from 1 to 10 based on how easy it is to create content and how much money you can make from it. By the way, my name is Ugu Joseph. If this is the first time coming across my channel, welcome, and please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out anytime I upload a video on this channel. Now, the number 5 is a faceless channel niche that will make you at least $1,000 a month is book summary channel. You know, people love to learn and grow, but not everyone has the time to read. That is where book summary channel comes in. They break down key ideas from popular books into easy to understand videos, and this channel works best with non-fiction books such as self-help, finance, and other educational books. Even with the rise of audio books, this channel are thriving because most people are visual learners. Engaging videos help viewers absorb information better and very fast. A great example is Escape Ordinary, a channel with over 1 million subscribers. Despite having only 15 videos, they gained 13 million views last year and earned nearly $28,000 according to Social Blade. This means the RPM is around $2 to $3. Book summary videos are highly sellable, meaning you will never run out of ideas. They are also easy to create. You can generate summary with the help of AI, ChatGPT, then turn them into script and use tools like video AI to make an engaging video. So I'll give this faceless niche 7 over 10 based on how easy it is to create this type of content, and for any potential, I'll give it 3 over 10. Now, the number 4 easiest faceless channel niches that can make you at least $1,000 a month is anime self-help. These niches put a creative spine on traditional self-help content. Instead of using generic or cinematic stock footage, Veto uses anime clip to make their video more engaging. This video focus on common self-help topics like discipline, confidence, and personal growth, but the use of anime makes them stand out. For example, a typical video might sound like this.
So that's why the secret isn't to do more, it's to do less. We want to get as much things as possible away from our schedule. Why we want to do this is because the only thing we have in our life is energy and time. And we only have a finite.
Based on my research, this niche is set to explode very well in this 2025. A great example is Incognito CEO, who gained 200,000 subscribers from just 15 videos, and the average view is around 5 million views per year and made nearly $122,000 last year with an RPM of 2.4. Another strong example is Same Inspector, who reached 107,000 subscribers with just 2 videos, and it even have a higher RPM of 3.9. These videos are also simple to create. You can take any self-help topic using AI or use ChatGPT to generate the script, and then use video AI or any other AI video generator to turn that script into a full video with your own voice or AI voice. So I will rate this faceless niche 8 over 10 based on how easy it is to create this type of content, and for earning potential, I will give it 3 over 10. Now, the number 3 easiest faceless channel niches that will make you rich is ancient philosophy. This niche puts a fresh twist on self-improvement by exploring timeless philosophy from history's greatest thinker and showing how they can solve modern problems. A great example is Philosophy for Life, a channel that gained over 5 million views last year and earned around $4,800, and their RPM is $4 to $9. Before I continue, another thing you need to understand is that the money you make on YouTube, the money you earn per 1,000 views depend on the countries where the views are coming from. If you can attract an audience from the US, UK, Canada, or Europe, your earning will be much higher. A Stoic journal, a channel focused entirely on Stoic philosophy, gained over 9 million views last year and made around $65,000, putting the RPM at 7.2. What is even more impressive, this channel was launched in January 2024 and achieved these numbers within a single year. This niche is perfect for beginners. You can easily find this philosophy with a simple Google search or by asking ChatGPT. Then you turn those ideas into scripts and create an engaging video using tools like Video AI or Flicky AI. So I will rate this Faceless niche 9/10 based on how easy it is to create this type of content, and for any potential, I'll give it a 6/10. Now, the number two easier Faceless channel niche that will make you at least $1,000 a month is AI news channel. AI is growing rapidly. Every week there is a new update, news story or controversies. People want to stay informed but don't have the time to read long article or watch multiple videos. That is where AI news comes in. Think of yourself as an AI news anchor, sharing the latest updates in a simple and engaging way. Channel like AI Revolution, the AI Read, are doing incredibly well in this space. AI Revolution got 18.8 million views last year and earned nearly $138,000, putting the RPM at 7.3 thousand views. The AI did even better, getting to 9.6 million views and making around $218,000. That is a huge amount of money. And since the interest in AI is only increasing, this niche will be very profitable in 2025. For rating, I'll give it 7/10 for easy of execution because you need to stay updated on AI news, which require research. But I will rate it 8.5/10 for revenue potentials. The earnings in this space are excellent. Now, the number one easiest Faceless channel niches that can make you at least $1,000 a month is a study with me channel. But what exactly are these? These are channels that show time lapses or clips of someone studying or working, usually with calming background music. They act like visual study buddies, helping viewers stay focused as they work or study alongside the video. You might think these channels don't make much money, but that is not true. They attract highly engaged audience and bring in steady revenue. Take Scene Study, for example. This channel started in 2020, gained 40 million views last year and made over $100,000, putting his RPM at 7.3 thousand views. That is impressive, especially since these videos require very little effort to create, plus they get great engagement. If you are a student or someone who works on a laptop often, this is the perfect niche for you. All you need is a camera or even just your phone to record your face, yourself working. You don't have to show your face, just your desk setup. To make it look better, you can create a cozy vibe, then simply upload the video with your background music from YouTube audio library. No editing, no scripting, no fancy equipment needed. Imagine the potential. If you want to add variety or even earn more money, you can film in different places instead of just your desk. For rating, I'll give it 10/10 for easy of video creation since it requires almost no effort. 8.5/10 for any potential because this channel make great money. Guys, now is the time. If you have been waiting to start a Faceless channel, it does not get easier than this. I've already shared all the best niches with you guys, and I've also spent over hours analyzing Faceless niches so that I will come up with the ones that are very easy that you can start and in 2025. When I tell you that YouTube is on the easy mode right now, I discuss everything you need to know about creating successful channels. Channels are blowing up, so take any of these niches and start and be consistent. You will see how far you can go. You will know that you have potentials to actually do these things. So let me know in the comment section the niche you are going to start with. So if you have stayed with me till this time, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like this video so that YouTube can share it to other people. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.